a galaxy overwhelmed with darkness, where oppression spreads like wildfire and hope seems like a forgotten relic, comes a light unlike any other. Commander Jesus. A name whispered across space, a force that sparks courage where despair once ruled. Today, we invite you to witness his most daring mission yet. Welcome to Galactic Adventures of Jesus, the Starlight Rebellion. Commander Jesus has faced adversaries of unimaginable power. He has calmed cosmic storms, healed wounded planets, and unified rival factions spread across the farthest reaches of the galaxy. But the challenge before him now eclipses them all. The Galactic Dominion, a heartless regime that thrives on fear and exploitation, is tightening its grip on countless star systems. Planet by planet, freedom is stripped away. And on the remote planet of Viridian, the Dominion is preparing its most devastating weapon yet, codenamed Oblivion's Yoke. This weapon has the power to annihilate entire civilizations and bend them to their will. Yet, amidst the chaos, embers of rebellion flicker in the shadows, embers that await only a spark. Viridian's people suffer under the Dominion's oppression, their culture, their dreams, their very humanity suppressed. But in the darkest abyss comes Commander Jesus. He, along with his stellar allies, is determined to don the mantle of hope and ignite a rebellion that will echo across the galaxy. Let us introduce you to the brave crew joining Jesus on this interstellar odyssey. Zara, the fierce warrior with a heart of gold. She has faced unimaginable loss and emerged stronger than ever. Her strategies turn battles into symphonies of triumph. Then there's Lux, the inventive genius whose gadgets and technology continue to surprise even Jesus himself. Finally, we have Elysia, the eloquent diplomat from a ravaged alien world. Her wisdom and poise have turned countless enemies into allies. Together, they form the foundation of this rebellion. Here's their audacious plan: infiltrate Viridian, disable the Dominion's central command, and dismantle Oblivion's Yoke. It's a mission fraught with danger, for failure is not an option. If this weapon is unleashed, it could rewrite the fate of the universe itself. Commander Jesus knows the stakes, and he knows that the fight isn't just about taking down a weapon, it's about rekindling the spirit of resistance in Viridian's citizens. But the path to rebellion is scarcely paved in victory. As the crew advances, they confront challenges that test their resolve. A cosmic storm cuts off their approach. A high-ranking Dominion officer, Major Kael, intercepts their plans and captures several rebels. And just when it seems like every effort will fall short, Commander Jesus reminds everyone, victory isn't born from perfect plans. It's forged from unity, trust, and relentless courage. The rebellion launches their attack. Lux unleashes his engineered gadgets, disabling weapons and creating openings. Zara leads an inspiring charge against the Dominion's elite troops. Elysia secures surprise reinforcements from neighboring systems that rally to Viridian's plight. Meanwhile, Commander Jesus confronts Major Kael face to face in an electrifying showdown of both might and ideology. In this confrontation, Kael questions Jesus' motives. You come here with talk of peace, yet all I see is war following you. How can peace thrive in bloodshed? Jesus responds with conviction. True peace isn't the absence of struggle, but the presence of justice. The fight for hope is never easy, but it is always worth it. In their battle, Jesus disarms Major Kael, but spares him, urging him instead to join the cause of freedom. Kael's internal conflict is left unresolved, adding depth and stakes to the unfolding rebellion. As Viridian's skies brighten, Commander Jesus addresses the liberated people. A single spark can light a fire that warms an entire world. Today, you are that spark. Each of you carries the hope that will build a future where no Dominion can ever chain you again. The Starlight Rebellion is more than just a victory. It's a testament to the enduring power of faith, courage, and unity. As Commander Jesus and his crew soar into the cosmos, this chapter closes, but their story and fight continue. Remember, even in the darkest voids of space, just one spark of light can start a revolution. This is Galactic Adventures of Jesus, the Starlight Rebellion.